Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet, pillow covers and cushions. You will find more amazing and stunning ideas of patchworks in this video. All of these designs are having patchwork and you will see different square patches pattern in these designs. Like most of these designs are having a granny square pattern. You will see solid granny square pattern, modified granny square patterns, and some other geometrical shapes and flower patterns as well, which are then converted into a square piece. Like you can see this beautiful and amazing lace pattern of flower in center and then converted into a square piece, looking very attractive and gorgeous. And all of these designs are like this. You will see Afghan square flower patterns in most of the designs as well. So the best part of these designs are their color schemes. As you can see, all of these designs are having different color schemes in different contrast, and these designs are mostly for light seasons and summer season. You will see light color schemes in most of these designs. Some of the designs are having bright color schemes as well. So if you are a lover of brighter tone, which are mostly good for winter season products, some of the designs are also included with that color scheme. So you can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home. Any specific color scheme, you can take a screenshot of any specific color scheme as well. So choosing right color schemes in a square pattern is a really difficult task. So in these patterns, you can just take ideas about color schemes and you can purchase any specific color scheme and make your own pattern look more stunning and gorgeous without having any trouble of choosing any specific color schemes. So you can take ideas and make these amazing square pieces. I have tutorial videos of many of these square pieces designs available on my channel, and you can just join them together with different techniques. You can use a single crochet stitch method. You can use a sewing needle to sew the patches of squares together. You can use a slip stitch method. Join as you go method can be used, or a chain three pattern of joining square pieces together can also be used. So any of the method which you are comfortable in making, you can use it, and you can make amazing and beautiful cushion covers for yourself. And just let me know in the comments if you are interested in having tutorial videos of them as well, because I also upload crochet tutorial videos and many square pieces tutorial videos are already available. Check them out. Thank you for watching. Bye.